ingredients?
Is this a spoon?
Yeah, it's a tablespoon.
Oh, can I use it?
So you need, well, first we need a soda. Hold on, sweetheart. Cinnamon and cloves. There's the cinnamon, there's the cloves, okay? Hold on, I'll tell you how to do this. Okay? And ginger. Where's the ginger? Oh, and, sorry, that's the cloves, that's the ginger. Now, here's what I want you to do. We're going to add it all. We're going to do these. See, these are called dry ingredients, Gracie. Dry ingredients, okay? So first thing we're going to do, we need 2 teaspoons of baking soda. So, let me show you a teaspoon. Hold on, I can't see. Okay, right here. That's a teaspoon, okay? Now, what we do, I want you to stick that teaspoon in there. Good, now put it in there. There's 1. I want you 1 more. Do one more time. Okay, do a little more. A little more. No. Here. And add 1 more. Just a little bit. There you go. Okay, good enough. Okay? Alright, now, we add, say, baking soda. Don't do put the baking soda in your mouth. That don't taste good. That helps it rise. Okay? Now, we need 1 teaspoon ground ginger. Where's the teaspoon? You still got the teaspoon? That's why we don't lick it. We don't want to get any of our juices on it. Okay? Now hold that. 1 teaspoon. Don't this one. Now, you hold it down and I'll put the ginger in it. Put it over this. Hold it over that. Okay, ready? I'm going to fill the spoon. Hold on. Hold on, let me fill the spoon. Keep it over. Good job. Hey, I'm not putting it in, it's just there. Now put that in there. No, put it in here. In here. Stop. Great job. Now, hold on, now we gotta do cinnamon. You ready to do cinnamon? That was ginger. It's okay. That's just part of cooking. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Look, put it back over there. Now we're going to do the cinnamon. Now this cinnamon does not have the sugar in it yet, so keep it over there. Ready? Say, Grandma and Mommy would love this, wouldn't they? Oh, careful. Don't lean on it. Okay, now put it in. Oh, there's all in there? Great job. You're doing excellent. That doesn't taste right without the sugar, does it? Because there's no sugar in it. It smells good, but there's no sugar in it, is there? Now we got to go with a 1/2 teaspoon. That should be good. Okay, this is a half. Now, we're going to use just a little salt. We shouldn't, but we're going to use just a little salt. Okay, put it over there. Put the 1/2 over there. Is it the 1/2? Okay. Okay, just a 1/2 of the salt. No, don't lean your hand on that. Remember, these are dry ingredients. They dry. Okay, now put it in. Yeah, just like that. And then we're going to add a 1/2 of ground cloves. Okay? So keep it over there. Put it over. Oh. Alright, dump it in. All of it. Dump it all in. And so that's ground clove. Ground clove. Very good. I'm very proud of you. You're doing a great job. Say, no, I think we got all the spoons we need. Say, yay me. Yay me. Yay me. Say it. Yay me. Yay me. Say, I'm Gracie. I love my grandpa. I love my daddy. I love my mommy. I love my grandma. I love my pappy. I love my Spikey. Hoorah! Where you going? We got ready to do the next thing?
Yeah.
All right, now let me go over this real quick. I just want to make sure we got everything.
In the microwave, I can make the most amazing dessert.
Okay, now we're gonna do something fun now. Okay? Can I put mute? Okay. Now, think Grandpa will come help us real quick? Oh, hold on. Might not need him. Wait. Might not need him. Might be able to do it like this. Oops. Okay, now. Hey, Dad? Dad? You watching a good show?
Oh, I'm on the show.
You want to help real quick? I just need you to hold something real quick. I'll have Grandpa help us real quick. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Now, what I'm going to do, what you're going to do, okay, is you're going to put two in, okay? Hold on.
Yeah, I did.
We're going to